Why total section marking is essential until plinth beam. Avoid costly construction mistakes. Today, project is from Hosur, where Scon Design India Pvt Limited successfully completed a land survey, building footing marking, column marking, retaining wall marking, and AutoCAD superimpose based on the actual site conditions. Everything was accurately set out using a total station. But what happened after that is something every property owner should know. Many owners think that once the survey team completes the layout, the remaining markings can be done manually using line threads, commonly called Doori Marking. This may look simple and save a small amount of money, but in reality, this is where major construction error begins. In this project, after our survey team completed the precise marking, the labor contractor continued the work using manual line threads. Unfortunately, several mistakes occurred. The alignment shifted. Column locations were not exactly on the center line. Dimensions varied from the approved drawing. Some reference points were lost. These small mistakes may not be visible during the initial stages, but once concrete is poured, correcting them become extremely expensive. Remember one important thing. The foundation is the backbone of your building. If the foundation layout is inaccurate, every floor above it will also carry those errors. A difference of even 20 or 10 millimeters may seem small, but when multiple columns accumulate small deviations, the entire structure can become misaligned. Walls may not be straight, beam connections become difficult, interior finishing cost increase, tiles may not be aligned properly, false ceiling adjustment become necessary. Steel fabrication may require modifications. Doors and windows may not be fit correctly, all because of one small mistake during marking. This is the way we always recommended one simple practice. Use a total session, not only for footing marking, but continue using it until the plinth beam marking is completed. Many owners stayed because of they think it will be increase the project cost. But let's look at the reality. The cost of total session for a few additional days is very small compared to the total construction budget. However, correcting wrongly cost columns or foundations can be several times not only money, it will also wastage valuable project time. Construction gets delayed, labor cost increased, material get wasted, stress increased for everyone involved. A total station provide millimeter level accuracy. Every column is placed exactly according to the structural drawing. Every footing remains within tolerance. Every retaining wall follows the approved coordinates. Every reference point is digitally verified. There is no guesswork, no manual approximation, no unnecessary connections. At Scon Design India Pvt Limited, we don't just perform surveys, we support construction with engineering accuracy. Our services include topographical survey, boundary survey, layout survey, building footing marking, column marking, retaining wall layout, AutoCAD, superimposition, as-built survey, 3D laser scanning, scan to BIM, drone survey, construction verification. Every point is checked using professional survey equipment. Our goal is simple: build it right the first time. To all property owners, builders, contractors, and developers watching this video, please don't compromise on layout accuracy. Save a small amount during the marking stage can lead to major expenses later. Ask your survey team to continue total session marking until the plinth beam is completed. It is a small investment that protects your entire building. Accurate marking means accurate construction. Accurate construction means fewer mistakes. Fewer mistakes means better quality, low cost, and peace of mind. This is exactly why professional surveying is not an expensive. It is an investment in the quality and safety for your project. If you are planning to residential, commercial, industrial, warehouse, factory, hospital, or infrastructure construction anywhere in India, Scon Design India Pvt. Limited is ready to support your project with precise survey and layout services. Thank you for watching. If you find this information useful, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more construction tips, survey knowledge, and real-time project case studies. Build with confidence, build with precision, build with Scon Design India Pvt. Limited.